Hey guys, we are very excited to announce that we officially have a plug-and-play sound system kit for these cars. So this is the same system that we've been selling in pieces parts. It's now a one-piece bolt-in ready-to-go kit. So we're selling the panel with the fabric already laid down and attached to it, with the speakers already installed, and all of the wiring are already done. So there's just six little wires coming out of the panel. Drop the panel in, plug in those wires, and you're done. Also included in the kit, we are giving you the amp that we run with these and the amp wiring system. And we'll have step-by-step instructions for how to plumb all that in, what to hook up to what, and all the hard stuff is already done. We're selling this with 5 different fabric choices. We have 3 different quilted leathers for NA tan, NB tan, and the black. And we're also selling it with an OE black carpet if you want one of those. The only thing that's not included in the kit, you'll need your own head unit and door speakers, which most cars already have that part of it done. So this is the back half of the system. Works with glass soft tops, works with most hard dog roll bars so long as the bar is outside of the seatbelt tower. It does not work with the Ace or the Deuce because they drop down the bar right through here. It goes right through where the sub is at. But the Sport and the Hardcore both work well with it. It takes about 4 hours to pop in. Might be a little longer. We've done quite a few of them, so we're getting pretty efficient at it. But it's a very quick weekend project to drop in. So we're offering them up for pre-order right now. We're getting all of our manufacturing in order to mass produce them. I'm hoping to have the first units ship by the 1st of October this year. So if you want to get in line and be one of the first ones to get them, go ahead and head over to the website, follow the link below, and get that guy on order. Just let us know which material you want the panel to be made out of, and you'll be listening to tunes in no time. Thanks, guys.